There's a chance that you won't be wearing ties frequently these days, but certain occasions require a tie. Be it for social or business occasions. Specific attires are more elegant when paired with a tie. In this video, you will learn a simple method to tie a tie, so let's get started.
If you like our channel, kindly press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from Within Minutes.
Step 1. Attach the tie to the neck. Make sure that the broad end is 1/3 larger than the narrow end. Step 2. Cross the wide end over the narrow end. Step 3. Turn the wide end over the narrow end. Step 4. Bring the wide end upwards into the neck loop. Step 5. You will need to loop it to tie the tie. Secure your loops front you've made using your thumb and index fingers, and then bring the broader end to the back of the loop on your neck. Step 6. Take the wide end into the loop to the left. Step 7. To tighten the tie, pull the broader edge of your tie down, and slide the knot toward your neck. Now you're prepared for any social or business events.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video, kindly click on like and share button. For any queries and remarks, kindly comment in the box. Subscribe to Within Minutes for the latest updates.